Hello, Plenty Mashers, and welcome. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you always know when I release new videos. Today, we are talking about vision board and how to set it up in your bullet journal. Vision board is a very powerful instrument that helps you to visualize your goals, manifest them, stay focused the whole year, and work on making them happen. And I thought it's a really powerful tool and you might as well include it in your bullet journal. Now, of course, a lot of people create separate vision boards, but I felt like if you are into bullet journaling, that definitely is something you'd like to add there because you're more likely to take a look there all the time. And also it is going to be a little bit more of a secret just for yourself. You won't need to put it outside for everyone to see. So grab all your supplies and let's start our journey to achieving the dreams in 2020. First, let me walk you through some of the materials I'm using for my vision board. First, I finally decided to use my stickers, and these are some Etsy stickers from Rose K Paper and some stickers from my Peepstick subscription and just some random stickers I brought with myself from China. Then I also am using some washi tape and I have this little tool that helps me to cut it. I decided to add some color, of course, with my favorite zebra mindliners. This time I'm using brush pens. I have some cutouts from magazines. It's actually just some words and quotes which I thought might be nice. Finally, I'm using an HP Sprocket printer, and the great thing about this one is that the paper is already a sticker paper, so I don't really need anything extra to add them to my vision board. There is, however, an adhesive I'm using. This is for stuff like magazine cutouts if I decide to actually use them in the end. And of course, there is my paper trimmer from Martha Stewart, which I have ever since my scrapbooking days. But it's really useful in creating a vision board as well. Now, I started the vision board from a very big chunk of paper, and it's kind of an empty rectangle. And this is gonna be my yearly review by Masha from 2021. It's kind of a really useful practice when you set up to create your vision board, to write in detail everything you want to achieve, but write it as if you already have it. And this is going to be the place where I'm writing it. However, I felt like it's a little bit more private, so I wanted to cover it up a little bit, and I am covering it with this cutout from my previous Nuna journal. I had a few pages left and I just cut out this piece. And the idea for this exercise I actually got from Amy Tangerine. So you write an alphabet and you use each letter of an alphabet as a prompt to write a certain quality which you have or you want to develop in yourself or something you want to improve on. I really love this idea, and here are the words I came up with. Adventurous, bold, creative, dreamer, evolving, fulfilled, grateful, happy, inspired, joyful, kind, loved, motivated, neat, original, purposeful, quiet, relaxed, supporting, traveled, vivacious, unique, wish, xennial, yes, and Zen. Under the list, I'm adding a sticker from Hobonichi collection of Rose K Paper Co. This is not just a cute decoration, but I feel like it's also a good representation of what I want my life to be. It's kind of a warm spring weather. There's a book and coffee and some candles. Just kind of a chill atmosphere I really enjoy. Underneath it, there is a little doggy sticker, and that's because I've been wanting to be a doggy mama since forever. And I'm not sure if this is going to happen this year because I want to take it very responsibly and I want to make sure that I can provide the best home possible for the little guy. However, it's really something I want and it's really something I see myself being in the future. Therefore, I decided to add it to my vision board anyways. Now, another thing I'm doing here is about my tribe, and my tribe goes to PlannerCon. And I want to go to PlannerCon. I've been wanting to go to PlannerCon ever since I realized there is such a thing. And I feel like now that I live in Bolivia, not on the whole other end of the world, it's kind of more possible. So I wrote here PlannerCon 2020 because I'm a dreamer. I'm not sure I'm gonna make it this year, but if I don't, I definitely will make sure to make it next year. One way or another, that's something I really wanted to include because visiting PlannerCon is a lot of fun and it would give me so many opportunities and I would absolutely love to meet all of you guys. Underneath it is my tattoo section. You will see that there is some empty space there and I left this to add pictures later. But yeah, I'm a tattoo girl. At the moment of making this video, I have 5 tattoos and I have a complete intent of adding a few more this year. And these stickers were absolutely perfect because they kind of resemble the traditional style of tattoos, which I totally want to try this year. And finally, there is a little sticker for Happy Mail. That's because in 2020 I want to collaborate more, I want to work with more brands, and in bullet journal world that usually means that there is more Happy Mail coming your way. And the first thing I'm adding to the right side of my vision board is my lettering intentions. January is my lettering month and lettering is generally something I really want to be better at. I'm actually so serious about it that I really thought it would be useful to add it to my vision board because Masha in 2021 is Masha who does great lettering. A few more things I added are kind of money related. As you can see, I added a few money stickers. Obviously, I want like all the money in the world. Okay, not all the money, but you know what I mean. And the bottom right corner is for all things development. So I want to study more, I want to learn several new skills. If you watch my video with 2020 pages, you probably know that recently I learned about the concept that to master a new skill from 0 to an okay level, you just need 20 hours. And that's really something I want to concentrate on in 2020. I want to master a new skill every month, or at least give it a try and see how it goes. That's why I have all these new skills and study stickers and motivations here in my vision board. I did write there my word of the year, which is thrive, and I absolutely forgot to write R there. And that's actually something that happens a lot because when you're lettering, you kind of draw in your letters rather than writing them, and just missing a letter or two in the word is kind of a common thing, I think. Finally, there is a little BFF sticker there and a quote saying, "Find your tribe, love them hard." I realized that Masha Plans is becoming kind of a tribe and we're building a community and all of you guys are amazing and I'm so happy to be a part of it. I'm so flattered that I managed to bring you together and I really want to make it even a better experience for all of us. So yes, that had to have some place in my vision board. Finally, it's time to print out the photos. One of them is a little office. You can't really see it very clearly, but it's a big white office and that's kind of something that manifests how I want to see my working space in 2021. Of course, I had to have a health goal, so here's this crazy yoga lady. There's no way I'm doing anything like this, but little steps. All I want to do is just to be healthier and to look a bit better than I do right now. And finally, of course, my tattoo photo. Yes, I'm actually looking into getting a hand tattoo. I'm kind of really into it these days. If you guys want to learn more on how to create your vision board and how a vision board can help you, be sure to check out my blog post. I will leave the link in the description. And I'll see you in the next video. Keep bullet journaling and don't be a blob. Bye!